If you want to become an AI agency owner who has shipped and built his first client in 10 weeks, then this video is for you. Right now, you're probably stuck in one of two places. Either you've been paying $60 a month for a SKU community run by a bunch of AI gurus who've never actually shipped a real client production build before. You watch all of their videos, you attended some Q&As, but you're still in the exact same position as you were 6 months ago. Or you try to skip the technical part. You try to hire a developer on Upwork. You don't know if they can actually deliver. They took the deposit, they couldn't deliver. Now the client got angry and you ate the loss and the relationship. And to be honest, it's not your fault. You've been told the exact same lie over and over and over again. You don't need to be technical to run an AI agency. But I'm sorry, that's just simply not true. And I know it because I've done it. Over the past 2 years, I've been running my own AI agency, Legacy AI, where we have shipped over 50 production client builds. From a $250 million restaurant chain with over 200 locations to one of the world's largest travel agencies. I'm also a Voiceflow certified expert and a retail AI certified partner. So no, you don't have to be a software engineer to run an AI agency, but you do need to learn some essential technical AI skills in order to succeed. And here's how I can get you there. It's called the operator autopsy method. Unlike every other SKU communities running on endless tutorials, there will be 5 deep modules. Each one of them will be a 2-week-long full teardown of a real production build that our agency has shipped for real clients. So you get to see everything underneath the hood, the prompt, the stack, the code, the architecture, deployment, everything. Even some of the client calls that we do, so you learn how to take on client feedback in the real world. Then you can replicate what you've learned. Throughout the end of each module, you have the chance to work on a capstone project that's very similar to what you've learned in the past 2 weeks, reviewed by me and my team before moving on to the next build. After all 5 modules, once you're confident enough, then you ship. You will build and deploy your very first AI project for a real paying client of your own. You can build them and you invoice them. You now become a real AI operator. On top of that, you will have a weekly one-to-one coaching call with me, myself, throughout those 10 weeks. So if you have any questions, any guidance, or any handholding that you need for us to guide you through the entire process, you can have that. And by the end of it, you will have a Legacy AI operator certificate, which you will get once you've successfully shipped for a real paying client and pass a structured assessment set by me and my team. And after those 10 weeks, you will still get a yearly access to the program. And throughout the year, we'll be releasing more and more autopsy modules so you can learn more builds throughout the year. You also get a monthly one-to-one call with me to update you on your progress. And if you're thinking, what happens if you don't get there? Well, I'll work with you one-to-one until your build is deployed. So now you have 2 choices. You can ignore this, go back to YouTube and SKU communities and watch a bunch of videos, learn, and never actually shipped and built something for a real paying client. Or you can click the link below, sign up for free build breakdown webinar at the beginning of the next month and watch me tear one of those builds down from start to finish so you'll have an idea of what this program will be about. Worst case scenario, you walk away with a live real teardown of a real agent completely for free, even if the cohort is not for you. And if you're serious about this cohort, there are only 5 seats in the June cohort, and I'll be offering 50% of the normal full price for this 1 month only. After that, it will go back to full price and you can still join the July cohort. So if you want to become a paid AI agency owner in 10 weeks, use the link to sign up for the free webinar and I'll see you in June.